go in early and see if that can inspire Rapp a little bit more offensively.
Look at that shot fake for to Ginny and Dustin and Braden and the entire family for that scent paying off into that.
Staple right there, turning the corner and hit the fadeaway. Not a surprise. They're great from a second chance point standpoint. Braden Smith trying to get an X63. Two teams that are Big Ten championship caliber, and Braden Smith around the world for two and one more.
Kevin, I'm loving this. Okay, the freshman has the pump fake three-pointer on one end.
4 Maryland turnovers. Braden Smith, what a good shot fake. And the 18-footer drops down.
It's to cap everything off with a national championship.
And look at the slow motion pivot, and he somehow